In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hoverbox in Wix. This feature is a fantastic way to make your website more interactive and engaging for your visitors, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process so you can implement it seamlessly. First things first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your site dashboard, and we want to click on Edit Site to access the Wix editor. If you're using Wix Studio, select Edit in Wix Studio instead. This will open up the site editor where most of the magic happens. Now let's add that hoverbox. In the left toolbar, you'll see the plus add button, a crucial feature on Wix for customizing your site. Click on it and go to Interactive, followed by Hoverboxes. Browse through the options and select a style that suits your needs, whether it's an image hover, text reveal, or an info card. Simply drag and drop it onto your page. If you prefer full creative control, start with a blank hoverbox, allowing you to design from scratch. Understanding the structure of a hoverbox is essential. Each has two states: the default view, which is what visitors see initially, and the hover view, which appears when they hover over it. You can design these separately, providing a dynamic experience. To edit these states, click on the hoverbox and use the change view buttons that pop up above it. Make sure both default and hover states are visually distinct yet cohesive. Starting with the default view, add your primary content. This could be an image, text, or icon, essentially what will entice visitors to hover. Style this content with options like background color or image, rounded corners, or even adding a border for a polished look. Simplicity is key. Imagine it as the cover of a book, inviting but not overwhelming. Switching over to the hover view, let's ramp up the interactivity. Here, customize what pops up when a visitor hovers. Add engaging elements like new text, buttons with messages like learn more or buy now, or eye-catching icons. Adjust the background with color changes or opacity tweaks for dramatic effects, and consider animations like text slides or gradient overlays. Ensure your hover content enhances the user experience without clutter. To further polish your hover boxes, adjust transition effects. Select your box, click Animation in the top toolbar, or right-click and select Add Animation. You can choose from various effects like fade, slide, or zoom, and tailor the duration and direction for a smooth transition. Hover effects should be swift, under a second,